and welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. My name is Zai and I welcome you to the series of simple Indian cooking. The recipe which we're going to make today is a very popular chutney which is served with Vada Pav. The name of the recipe is the garlic chutney or the Vada Pav Chutney. So let's quickly start roasting the ingredients for the Vada Pav Chutney. For that I have taken the dried coconut and we have just grated it. So I'm just going to dry roast the coconut on medium heat till it becomes golden brown in color. Make sure that the heat is not very high. Coconut itself contains a good amount of oil, so you don't have to add any excess oil while roasting the coconut. So as you can see, our coconut is now roasted to golden brown color. At this point, I'm just going to take a plate and transfer the coconut evenly on the plate and allow the coconut to cool down before we actually grind it. So we have dry roasted the coconut. The second thing which we are going to do is to dry roast the chilies. So I'm just going to break the stem. This is a spicy variety of the chili which I'm using. And just to get that nice red color of the chutney, I'm also going to use a few Kashmiri chillies. So I'm just going to break the stem and add it to the pan. Roast the chilies on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. So we have dry roasted the chilies as well. Switch off the heat, transfer the chilies in the same plate and allow the chilies and the coconut to cool down to the room temperature. The coconut and the chili mixture is now cooled down. I'm just going to transfer it in a mixie jar. To this I'm going to add a few cloves of garlic, a small piece of tamarind, some roasted peanuts, and here I have some sea salt which I'm going to add to the chutney. Close the lid and grind it to a coarse powder. So mixture is now ground to a coarse powder. Let's transfer it in the serving bowl. The Vada Pav Chutney is ready. A very simple recipe. Do try it.